Let's take a moment to understand RPE a little more so you can effectively implement it into your training. RPE stands for Rated Perceived Exertion, and it's an intensity scale of 1 to 10. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see I included an RPE scale, and at the way bottom, you can see an RPE less than 6 means that set was extremely easy and you could do many more reps. And on the other end of the scale, you can see a rating of 10 means that set was extremely hard and you could do no more reps no matter how hard you try. This scale will help you to make a measurement of how hard a set really is, and that information is going to benefit both you and I in many ways. Here's some examples of the RPE scale being used. In the top left of the screen, we have our first example. And in this example, you're doing a set, and you get to the 4th rep, and it moves very, very slowly, even though you're trying as hard as you can. You complete the rep, and you know there's no way you could do another one because that last rep was super hard. That is an example of an RPE 10. In our second example, you're doing a set, you get to the 4th rep, and it moves very slowly, and you're struggling a lot, but you think you might be able to do another rep if you try really hard. That is an example of an RPE 9.5. And in our third and final example, you're doing a set, the 4th rep moves really slow, but you're confident you could do another one. That last rep was really hard, but you know you have another one in the tank. That is an RPE 9. And this concept continues down the remainder of the RPE scale. Why is RPE important, and why am I having you use it? The first reason is individualization. We don't feel the same every day, and using RPE will allow you to adjust the difficulty of an exercise based on how you're feeling that day, whether that be through reps, weights, or other factors. If you're feeling really stressed, tired, and haven't eaten much, you can lower the amount of weight or reps I suggest for you based on past training. And if you're feeling really strong, you can increase the amount of weights or reps I suggest for you. The second reason is monitoring progress. RPE gives us a measurement on how hard an exercise or workout feels to you. Over time, as you become more familiar with your own perceived exertion, you can compare how your perception of effort changes for the same exercises and workouts. The last reason is it reduces the likelihood of injury and joint discomfort. Training hard is a must to make progress, but training too hard for too long can cause injuries and joint discomfort. Using RPE will allow you to adjust the amount of weights, reps, and difficulty of a workout so that it's productive and you're less likely to experience issues. I hope this was helpful. Please take a moment to ask me any questions that you may have so I can better help you understand RPE.